My friend, 4-chord fun in the key of G major. In the key of G major, we have the 1 chord, the tonic, the root, the foundation. When we spell it, it has 3 notes. It's G, B, and D. When we play G, B, and D, we can move this structure all the way up a whole step and then convert these 2 fingers, so hold this one back, into the minor form. Now, if you know G major and G minor, the beauty of seeing G major go to A minor, and then B minor, and then reverting back a half step and turning it back into a major, because the 4 and the 5, along with the 1, are always the same shape. When we go up to the 6th, we get our E minor. It's the same thing as the E minor you know, but it's strategically placed as an inversion so you can rock and roll. But that's not what we're here to talk about. That's what this channel is about. If you dig it, subscribe. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pick G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp diminished, then G, 4 of these chords and rock and roll. What pops into my head now is maybe using what we aforementioned. Let's start up here on this 5th fret. When we play this top note, it's a D. When we play this note, we're getting a, well, when you push in through it, you have an F sharp. And then when you put this finger right here, you're gonna be playing out the B. Putting a finger down here to cover the same note that this is, right, is called a perfect prime. So when playing this shape that you already know as being like an F sharp minor, when we move it up here and hold this, we get the next chord. So let's pull this B minor down to an A minor, and then let's pull out a G sus to a G. Again. Bing! What we're doing over here on the right hand, 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2E. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going downstrokes with an inflection on the 1 and the 2. Go slow with me, ready? 1 E and 2 E and when we bring this down together and speed it up, 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2 E and 1 E and 2. Necessarily need that bottom note every time. Why? We're in the key of G. It sounds great to resonate. And here's going to be our 4th chord. We're going to play a C and hold on it. Play the same chord you would for a G, but do it at the 7th fret. That's going to be an inversion of your C. And then we're going to go right back to our groove. 1,